In this video, I'm going to show you how to Wix blog tutorial step by step. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. In this complete step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create a fully functional, beautiful, and customizable blog using Wix. Whether you are a total beginner or someone with a little Wix experience, this video will cover everything you need, from creating a blog, writing posts, customizing the layout and fonts, to even monetizing your blog to start earning some income. You will find the link in the description to access Wix, so go ahead and click on it and start following with us. So go ahead and prepare. We are also going to explore how to manage your blog posts, write on mobile, and delete content you don't want anymore. So let's go ahead, stick to the end, because by the time you are done watching, you will have all the tools to run your own personal, educational, or even professional blog on Wix. So let's go ahead, access the link, then click on get started if you don't already have an account, or if you already have an account, just click on login. Now just go ahead, enter the details, email, choose a password and confirm password. Or you can click on continue with Google or Facebook. By just one click, you can start using Wix right now. So after doing that, just give it a moment to load and then you will access Wix. As you can see here, it might take a couple of minutes and there you have it. Now you have created Wix. Now let's jump in the important stuff. We are going to create a blog post. So in order to do that, this is completely easy. So go ahead and follow with us. The first thing you need to do once logged in to your Wix, you are going to be adding the blog feature to your Wix website. So go ahead, have your website ready or create a new website. After you're done with that, just go ahead to the left side as you can see here. Then go to apps and here we are going to install the blog app. So go ahead to the app market by clicking on this, and here in the store just go ahead to the search tab as you can see at the top, then type in Wix blog in the search bar, and when it pops up as you can see, just click on it. Just make sure to choose the right one, which is the one that's available right here that has a pin. Go ahead, click on it. It is free to install. Just give it a moment to load and then just click on add to site. This action will add the Wix blog feature to your website so you can start creating blogs right away. So give it a moment to add to your website and then it will be redirected automatically and create a blog on your website as you can see. You can edit it by clicking on it, or you can also go ahead, publish it as it is. This is a cool feature that Wix blog will create and open your blog automatically as you can see here. So this is a cool feature to have. Now let's go ahead and show you how to create one from scratch. So go ahead, click on this to go backwards to the home tab, and from here I will show you how to create one. So in order to do that, let's go back to the home page as you are just starting now. See now, once you added blog Wix, you will see a new menu item in your editor called blog as you can see here. So you can also click on it and start creating a new one from scratch. So you can see here the blog overview to create your first category, first blog, and everything. To create, just click on this or go ahead to the top right, click on create a new post. Now after clicking on it, just give it a moment to load. So now you can start creating your post by adding a title or by typing everything with AI to make this easier. And for the sake of this video, I am going to start creating by AI to show you basically how to create a blog post faster. Now, you can start by creating a title, so go ahead and type in whatever one you want. This is just an example, as you can see. You can start typing here, and then you can start writing your blog post by clicking on this and just start typing. So if you have your paragraph ready or your blog ready, just go ahead and paste it here. And if you don't, just use AI as I'm showing you now. You can click on Content AI and tell the AI to create a blog about a specific ID you have or anything that you want. So I just click on create a text or create a blog, then just give it a moment so it can create for you. And now as you can see, this is the blog all ready for you. You can copy the ones you like and paste them, or you can also just go ahead, click on insert. As you can see, that is located at the bottom. Click on it, and then your blog is now inserted, all by AI, fast to do as you can see, and high quality. Or you can just use it to start typing in your blog with the template that is this, and type whatever you want here. You can delete and edit and use everything. So by clicking on this plus button, you can add images, as you can see, videos, GIFs, everything. So just go ahead now to add an image. Let's click on image right here. Then just give it a moment. This window will pop up for you to choose the images that you have uploaded before to Wix, or you can upload new media by clicking on this and then click on this again. So go ahead, choose the image you want, and then just give it a moment to upload. This will only take a couple of seconds. And now to add to page, just click on this. So after you do that, now the image is available for your blog, as you can see. You can also resize it or do anything you want with it. Now you can easily continue the blog post under it by just clicking on this and just continue writing, or you can add other elements, as you can see here, divider, table, button, or anything you want. So let's click on a divider. This is the divider, as you can see, and you can start typing under it. Now we are going to add an element just to show you how it works. Let's say, for example, you want to add an HTML code or product or event. Just click on it. For the sake of this video, I am going to show you how to add a table. Choose the rows and columns, click on add, and you should be all good to go. As you can see here, the table has been added to your blog post. You can start typing inside of it by clicking on it, and then type in the titles and the elements you want to add in. As you can see, this is a cool feature that you can create a blog post with Wix. You can also just type in everything and you can come back to it, or we can also customize this design later. You can also choose the type of font by clicking on this to change the font you want, and also you can change the size of the text, or you can highlight the titles by selecting them like this and then just click on highlight, or you can also change the text color. So this is all useful to have in a blog post. So by doing that, here you can see the post info, how many words and characters. So after that, if you are satisfied, you can click on this. You can schedule the post by clicking on this right here, or save as draft. So just click on schedule post and choose the date you want and then click on schedule. But now we are just going to go ahead to the settings tab. As you can see here, you can feature this post, allow or disallow commenting on this post. Also, you can create categories by clicking on this. Click on create category, and after that just give this category a name. Let's say, for example, test, and just go ahead, click on this check mark right here, and your blog has been added to this category and assigned to it. If you don't want it, just click on this and uncheck it. So you can also add tags, create and assign tags to help readers find the blog post they are looking for. So if you want to add them, just type in and add in comma to end it, and add another tag. Just type in the tag you want and add in comma to stop typing it. So do this for every tag you want and include comma at the end of it to include the tag. You can also spend time exploring the formatting options from bold, italics, headers, bullets, lists, numbered lists. Everything is available right here. This will help keep your post well structured and easy to read. And after you are all done with your blog post, you can just go ahead and click on publish, and your blog post will be published in your website. And everyone in your website can see this. But don't worry, you can always come back to it. As you can see here, this is the center of edits for blogs. You can also see the drafts, the scheduled ones, the ones you place in the trash. So this is also good to have. Now, to delete a blog post or to remove it in the trash, you can click on these three dots right here in the right and move the blog post to trash by clicking on this, or revert to draft so you can keep on editing by clicking on this. And now the blog post has been moved to the drafts tab. You can click on drafts and see it available here. Now just click on these 3 points again. You can move it to trash by clicking on this. Click on move trash and it will be available in the trash section. Now to delete it permanently, you can just go ahead, click on delete right here, or you can restore it and come back to it. Now the post has been restored. You can also remove it from the drafts by clicking on this and click on publish post. And now the post you have is published. By clicking on this tab, you will find it available right here. Now another thing I will be showing you in this video is you can start blogging on the go. Wix has a great mobile app that allows you to write, edit, and publish posts right from your phone. You can find the link in the description below to download Wix on your phone and start blogging from your smartphone as well. So go ahead, click the link in the description below and then scan the QR code to download. Now after downloading it, just go ahead and sign into your account or sign up to a new account, and now I will show you how to do it. Just click on your Wix app, and now this is the interface of the Wix mobile phone app. As you can see here, to create a blog post, just click on manage right here, then scroll down, click on blog, and from here you can see posts, comments, categories, analytics. You can also see your blogs, as you can see here. And to add a new one, just click on create a new post, then add in the title of this blog you want. So type in whatever title you want, as I showed you before. This is similar to the one in web page computer, so go ahead, just type in everything. The AI is not available for the mobile phone app to create a blog post for you, so you have to do everything manually. Just copy the blog and then paste it here and edit everything you want, from fonts to size. You can also click on this plus button right here that's located at the bottom left. You can add an image or a divider, as you can see. You can resize the divider or change it by clicking on it and choose the one you like, as you can see. Now just click on the text. You can type under it, type in whatever paragraph you want. This is pretty much the same as doing it on your computer. As you can see, everything is available at the bottom. You can choose to type in the middle if you have a title or anything you want. You can click on the plus button, add in video, GIFs, buttons, or poll by clicking on poll, and then choose the poll you want. You can write in an answer, type in your question. Let's say, for example, this is your question. What do you choose? Number one or number two right here. And then click on done. And there you have it. Your poll is available on your blog post right now. You can edit it by clicking on it and come back to it. So after you are all done, just click on next at the top right. And here you can see to schedule the post, manage subscription, save and publish, and save as a draft. Let's say, for example, you can save and publish, and now your blog post has been published from only your phone. This is the fastest way you can do it. So this is a cool feature to have. So go ahead, click the link in the description below, and you will find the app right there. So this feature is super helpful if you are traveling and want to post quick updates or prefer writing on your mobile device. Now let's go back to the computer one, click on design site, and from here you can make it look professional and practical by clicking on pages and menu right here. and just go ahead, click on blog pages, choose the blog you have, then click on the three dots right here, then click on rename, then type in whatever title you want for the blog page you have. So go ahead, type it in. After you are all done, just click on done right here at the right, and you should be all good to go. Now another thing you can do is to customize your blog post just by going ahead, clicking on it just like this. You can choose the blog post you have, click on it, and then just go ahead, click on this pen right here, which is quick edit. You can also design the background. You can click on change. You can change the color from here or the image by selecting the image you want. So go ahead, select the image, and as you can see, the background has changed. So this is a cool feature as well. You can also edit the layout by clicking on layout right here. And if you have any layout options available, you can have them here and choose the ones you want. So after doing all of that, you can also publish the website and the blog post by clicking on publish. That's located at the top right here. And your blog post and website will be published and available for clients to check. So now let's go ahead, go back to the home page. Another thing I will be showing you today is blogging isn't just for fun. You can also monetize it and gain money from it. You can do that by clicking on blog right here, and then just go ahead, click on monetization app that's located at the right. As you can see, just go ahead and access it, or you can go ahead, click on blog, and you will be redirected to blog overview. Then select monetization from this. So go ahead and click on it. And from here, you can see the different options that you can start monetizing your blog posts and making money from it, from pricing plans to monetizing Wix with AdSense to getting paid through forms, stores, and others. So let's go ahead monetize our blog post by clicking on Add Wix Monetize with AdSense. So go ahead, click on it. And after you do that, this window will pop up for you. So go ahead, click on add to site that's located at the bottom right. And after you do that, the AdSense will be added to your website and you can start earning. So go ahead now, click on agree and add, then give it a moment. And after you do that, it will be mandatory for you to connect a domain to start earning from your site by displaying AdSense ads. So now after that, another option to earn money is to get paid through forms, as you can see, or offer services with bookings. And there you have it. You just learned how to build and launch a blog on Wix from start to finish. You now know how to add a blog to your site, create and format posts, customize fonts and layout, manage and remove content, and to write a blog post from your phone, which is a cool feature. So this brings us to the end of this full step-by-step guide. That means you now have everything you need to build a real online presence. Think of your blog as your digital home, your space on the internet to tell your stories, share your ideas, promote your brand, or even grow a business. So if you stay consistent and keep improving your writing, adding visuals, learning a bit of SEO, and sharing your posts on social media, you will start seeing results. But here is the thing, many people start, few stick with it. You don't need to be perfect, just keep posting. Every great blogger started with one simple post. So I'd love to know what kind of blog you are starting. If you want to go further, check out the description for links. This was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.